Imagine a land where ancient fortresses guard the secrets of centuries past, where lively folk music fills the air, and where every meal is a feast of flavors. Welcome to Serbia, a country that will ignite your curiosity and captivate your senses. Where every corner reveals a new story and every encounter leaves you wanting more. Get ready to uncover the mysteries and wonders of Serbia. Located in the heart of the Balkans, Serbia is a home to approximately 7 million people. Despite its relatively modest population compared to other European countries, Serbia compensates in territorial expanse with an area of about 88,000 square kilometers. To understand the Serbian life and culture, we must dive into its rich history marked by a succession of frantic events and significant transformation. The Serbs settled in the Balkans in the 6th and 7th centuries AD during the Slavic migrations. They migrated southward into the region, which was then part of the Byzantine Empire, for various reasons including pressure from other tribes and the search for better land. The earliest historical records mentioning the Serbs in the Balkans date to the 9th century AD. They eventually formed the medieval Serbian state under the Vlastimirovic dynasty, which expanded into a powerful kingdom under the Nemanjic dynasty in the 12th century. Despite facing invasions from various powers, the Serbs maintained their cultural identity and has stood out for its resilience and ability to reinvent itself. Despite adversity, the Serbian people have preserved their traditions, language, and cultural identity, becoming a remarkable example of determination. Serbia has a rich cultural heritage that comes from its long history. This heritage includes beautiful old buildings like monasteries, which show the influence of Byzantine and Ottoman styles. Serbian folk music is famous for its emotional songs, and traditional dances like the kolo are still popular. Serbian literature has produced important writers like Ivo Andrić. The Serbian language, written in Cyrillic letters, is an important part of this heritage. All of these things together make up Serbia's cultural heritage, showing its deep roots and diverse influences. Serbian cuisine is hearty and flavorful. One of the most famous dishes is cevapi, grilled minced meat sausages, often served with flatbread called lepinja and onions. Another popular dish is sarma, cabbage rolls stuffed with minced meat and rice. Ajvar, a relish made from roasted red peppers and garlic, is a beloved condiment. Serbian cuisine also includes hearty stews, grilled meats, and a variety of bread and pastries. Serbia has a long history of winemaking, with vineyards dating back to Roman times. The country's wine regions, such as Upa and Fruka Gora, produce a variety of wines. Serbian wines are known for their quality and unique flavors, influenced by the country's climate and terroir. Indigenous grape varieties like Prokupak and Tamjanika are popular. Serbia is home to many beautiful Orthodox churches, known for their stunning architecture and rich history, as many contain priceless religious artifacts and serve as important centers of Serbian spirituality and identity. The Serbian Orthodox Church is one of the oldest autocephalous, independent, Eastern Orthodox churches, with roots dating back to the early medieval period. The most famous church is the Church of Saint Sava in Belgrade, one of the largest Orthodox churches in the world. They often feature domes, frescoes, and intricate iconostases. The Church of Saint Sava in Belgrade, for example, is not only a magnificent architectural landmark but also a symbol of Serbian national pride. The Church of Saint Sava is located in Belgrade. It is not only an architectural marvel but also a vibrant center of religious and cultural life. Despite being under construction since 1935, it is open to the public and serves as a place of worship for the Serbian Orthodox faithful. The church hosts regular religious services, including liturgies, prayers, and ceremonies, attracting both locals and tourists. Additionally, the church is a hub for cultural events such as concerts, art exhibitions, and religious festivals, which celebrate Serbia's rich heritage. The Church of Saint Sava remains a symbol of Serbian identity and spirituality, continuing to play a significant role in the lives of many. As we explore Serbia, it's important to understand its public transportation system. The primary mode of public transportation in Serbia is the bus system. The road network is extensive, with highways connecting major cities like Belgrade, Novi Sad, and Nin. Bus transportation in Serbia is a popular and convenient way to travel within the country. There is an extensive network of bus routes connecting cities, towns, and even smaller villages. Buses are generally comfortable and reliable, offering a cost-effective way to explore Serbia's diverse landscapes and attractions. Many bus companies operate services across the country, with frequent departures and reasonable fares. In addition to domestic routes, there are also international bus services connecting Serbia with neighboring countries and beyond. Overall, bus transportation is a practical option for both locals and tourists looking to travel around Serbia. Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. It is a city steeped in history and culture, with a vibrant present and a promising future. Situated at the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers, one of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Belgrade Fortress, which dates back to the 2nd century AD and offers panoramic views of the rivers and the cityscape. Nearby, the Kalemegdan Park is a popular spot for locals and visitors alike, offering a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life. Belgrade is also known for its thriving cultural scene, with numerous museums, galleries, and theaters showcasing the country's rich history and artistic heritage. The National Museum of Serbia, for example, houses a vast collection of Serbian art and artifacts, while the Museum of Contemporary Art showcases modern and contemporary works. Belgrade's nightlife is legendary, earning it a reputation as one of Europe's party capitals. The city offers a diverse and vibrant music scene, catering to all tastes and preferences. From underground clubs to rooftop bars, Belgrade has something for everyone. One of the city's most famous nightlife spots is the floating river clubs, known as splavs, along the banks of the Sava and Danube rivers. These clubs offer a unique party experience with live music, DJs, and a lively atmosphere that lasts until the early hours of the morning. Imagine a scene. You're relaxing at a bar and a beautiful woman approaches you to chat. It might seem strange, but here women act like that. They are assertive. It's no secret that Serbian women are known for their beauty and elegance. These women possess physical features that make them true world of art. Serbian women stands out for their clear and luminous skin, expressive eyes ranging from blue to green, and dark silk hair. Beside their physical beauty, Serbian women are also recognized for their education, intelligence, sophistication. Many of them are successful professionals in various fields, from science and technology to the art and politics. This combination of women makes Serbian women admired and desired worldwide. They carry an aura of mystery and sensuality that makes them true inspiring muses. Just by seeing these beautiful women, I'm sure you are already thinking about planning your trip. When you do, it's important to know about the cost of living in the country, which will help you to budget your trip properly. In 2024, the minimum wage in Serbia is approximately 62,000 Serbian dinars per month, which is equal to $570. While this amount may seem low compared to other European countries, it reflects the overall level of prices and cost in the country. Regarding rent, the price may vary from the location to the size of the property. In Belgrade, the capital one-bedroom apartment can cost anywhere between $300 to $500 per month. In smaller cities, rent can be more affordable, ranging between $200 to $350. When we talk about food, Serbia offers a great cost benefit, as a meal at a local restaurant can cost between $5 to $15. it's important to note that in any country the cost can vary according to lifestyle and individual choices. However, overall Serbia is considered as a relatively affordable destination, especially when compared to other European countries. This combination of cost of living along with cultural wealth that Serbia offers makes it an attractive destination for both the visitors and those wishing to settle in the country. When it comes to entering Serbia, it has a relatively simple process for visitors. Serbia offers visa-free entry for short stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. This applies to citizens of the EU, Schengen area, UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and many other countries. For those wishing to stay for a longer period, Serbia also offers a temporary or permanent residence visa. Please share your thoughts on this incredible country in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.